Zhengzhou, the seat of Haina's Quality Management System Certificate. Technology and building strength with integrity. Wanchun has a rapid development in the field of gear pump of komatsu engineering and machinery truck on the basis of more than 30-year product technology R&D and sales experience. At the same time, the company is creating a marketing service model of integrating R&D, production, packaging, sales, and after-sales service with reliable quality, complete varieties, preferential price, and the convenience of direct selling by manufacturers. The company has been praised by customers and recognized by the industry with integrity, strength, and high-quality products. It is now committed to becoming a first-class enterprise in the industry. Wanchun considers integrity as its foundation and moves forward with innovation. With excellent quality and